Uti local government area of Tinubu State. SBM Sunday Aneki enlisted as member of the NGA 40th Regular Force on 10th September 1988 as an officer today and was commissioned 10th September 1993 as pilot officer in Nigerian Air Force. And Development Studies from the University of Abuja, Masters in Strategic Studies from Air War College and from Air Force Air University of Montgomery, Alabama. He also possesses a postgraduate diploma in management and certification in aviation management from Embry-Riddle University in the United States of America. He has also attended the junior and senior staff courses from the Nigerian Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Judge. In the course of his career in the Nigerian Air Force, he has served as, among others, Staff Officer, United Nations Peacekeeping Mission in Kinshasa, Congo, Fleet Training Officer, Presidential Air Fleet, Fleet Operations Officer of 011 Presidential Air Fleet, Group Operations Officer, and later Commander